Those boots are expensive, but I got them, I think like half price when Sears was closing. Yeah, I put the barricades up. So in the news, the New York MetroCard that you used to get on the subway and the buses, it's gone away. The last date, December 31st, 2025. That's it. You can cash it in and transfer your money onto the Omni Card. That's what they use now. The Omni Card, you just touch, which is much easier. You just put your card or your phone next to the sensor and it approves and lets you through.